Hey guys, welcome back to the next lecture. In this one, we're going to write our very first formula. So, as you can see over here, we have hot dogs remaining. Now, the way we're going to calculate that is quite simply going, how many did we have to begin with, and how many have we sold, right? Now, we don't want to pull out a calculator and do it ourselves. We're going to let Excel do it, because Excel is a genius when it comes to this stuff. Okay, so the way to tell Excel you want to write a formula, any kind of formula, is you want to press equals, like so. Then you want to click the first thing you're going to be dealing with. So in our case, it's hot dogs in stock by just clicking. And Excel is going to generate that formula syntax for you, all right? The terminology for the formula. Now the next thing we're going to do is hot dogs in stock minus hot dogs sold. So we're going to tell Excel we're going to minus by clicking minus, right, on the keyboard. Pretty easy. Then the next thing is we want to go hot dogs sold. Now as you can see, Excel has created the formula for you. All you're going to do now is press enter. And you're done. There you go. That's your very first formula. Now we want to replicate that formula for all the other cells underneath. Okay, now the way to do that is you just want to click on that cell. Now in this bottom right corner of where you've selected, this is called the fill handle. And you want to click that and drag it all the way down and release. Now what that's going to do is copy that formula for every single row you're going to be dealing with. So if you imagine that you're dealing with a table that's 1,000 lines long, right, 1,000 rows deep, you could do that formula in 1 second. Incredibly powerful. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add up each of these columns. Okay, now the way we're going to do that is first by writing total over here. Oops, like so, if I can spell total. Then we're going to give this a little bit of formatting. So we're going to go bold by going home, font, bold. Then we're going to give it the color red by clicking on the red font color, like so. Alright. Then what we're also going to do is give this a bit of formatting. So click on the second last row, then go home, font, borders, and then you want to click on the bottom double border. Okay, and there you go. Now the way to calculate the totals of these cells, right, is like so. You want to click all the data you're going to be adding, then you want to go home. All the way here to the right, you're going to see editing, all right, and you're going to see the button auto sum. That's what we're going to be using. So click on auto sum, and Excel is automatically going to calculate those values for you, and it's going to create the formula as well, right? We did that in 1 second. If you needed to do that in a calculator, you'd go 10 plus 15 plus 4. You don't need to do that in Excel. That's why it makes it so incredibly powerful. So hope you guys got a lot out of this one, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon.